Hey friends, welcome to another edition of Timmy Talks. Today we're taking the metro from Lalbagh to ISKCON, the ISKCON Temple. So come along, it'll be fun. So I'm really excited to be going to the ISKCON Temple. It's been a year since I've been there, and nowadays you can actually get your tickets on your phone. It's just amazing. Okay, we're on platform 1 towards Nagasandra. And they have a nice escalator. Although I should be taking the stairs. Alright, look at we're at the beginning of the train station. Is underground, it opens on the right, and if it's above platform, it opens on the left. And to get to the ISKCON Temple, you get off on the Maha Lakshmi station. And since we bought our ticket on the telephone, you'll need your phone to get out of the train station. And we decided to take an auto, a tuk-tuk, to the temple. We could walk there, but we just wanted to get there as soon as we could. Fun snafu, they won't let me in my shorts, even though I've been to many ISKCON temples in my shorts, even in Vrindavan. So off to find some covering, I don't know, dhoti, sweats, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, still searching. Car shops, food shops, eye care. No clothing yet. Oh, there's a kid's clothing. That's not gonna work. So we found a smart bazaar, which is like an everything store, so maybe they'll have something. It's like food, clothing, everything. It's like a little Walmart kind of place that has a little bit of everything. So hopefully they have some covering for me. And this is strange, I've never ever had to wear something specific in the ISKCON Temple. Menswear, 3rd floor. No, that's India. Nothing can be like fast. You always have to account for some hiccup somewhere, you know, so. Okay, I mean, these are just normal clothes, but they will have something. Something. All right, this is the cheapest thing at $3.99. All right, okay. It's made for Indians with their little legs, so that's fine. It'll work. Now to pay for them, you have to go all the way down to the bottom. Can't just do it here. Oh my gosh, the line is so long. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, finally all set to go to the temple. What an ordeal. Try number 2. Okay, we have to leave our shoes. What a craziness. 10 rupees for 2 pairs. Okay, it's quite the maze to get in. The view is nice getting in here. It's almost level with the metro. And this down here is where you can do some mantras on these steps 108 times to bring you good fortune. And the main altar within the temple is so pretty, all gold, very nice. I wish I could have done a video within the temple itself, but they just don't allow videography. Okay, so now we're exiting, and then it goes through a great cafeteria area. It's fantastic. Well, before you go to the food area, they do have like a lot of gift shopping where you can buy all Krishna-related items, shirts, calendars, and idols, and just, anything Krishna-related that you can think of, jewelry. It's all here, and it's like reasonably priced. Starts the food, jalebi and cake, donuts. Oh man, we should get something, some sweets. Mapua? Hey, isn't that the name of that restaurant? Mapua? Look at all the sweets here. Oh, these are very good. Sweet. Okay, I just bought some little peta, which are like little sweets. You can see here. They're really good, covered in sugar. Yeah. Where they used to give the prasad when you left the temple, but I didn't see any today. Did you see any? Here's the prasad that you get after you visit the god. You get some food that has been blessed. Thank you. It's like rice with cumin. This little banana leaf boat, disposable, biodegradable. This thing gotta collect our shoes, huh? It's kind of a madness here. You just give the guy your ticket. Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Timmy Talks, going to the ISKCON Center Temple in Bangalore. And it's been a year since I've been here, so it was a nice experience. And I got some good sweets as I'm leaving. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care now.